Hi, I'm dear friends. This is VideoPad, and I'll show you today how to change the ratio of your video in VideoPad. I did it already with an image in the previous lesson, and let's do it with the video. So I'm dropping it onto timeline. This is our video. And we have to remove, for example, for YouTube, those black areas, black borders. Okay. So how can we change the ratio? I did the right click on my video and find effects. I'll show you two ways how you can do it. First one is the easier one. It's by using stretch to aspect ratio effect, and you can change the ratio to, there is a big list of possibilities like that, for example, or like this, for example. You see those areas still will be black, but if you have to do it for YouTube, there are no black areas, the ratio is 16:9, but I don't think the result is good in this case. Okay, I'll remove the audio. Okay, so sometimes it works when changes are not too big, but not in our case. So in this case, what we're going to do, let's close this effect and let's add zoom effect. I like it very much. So you see here the aspect ratio. Let's establish it 16:9, for example. We need it. And here in this rectangle inside you can see what we will get. And I'm doing left click on my mouse, holding it and moving it here, for example. Okay, so it will be something like this. But sometimes, because a big, large area is cutted, sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, let's see. Now, for example, it's good, but later, let's show on a timeline. At this moment, on the second minute, I don't want to show this place, but I want to move here, for example, to show this plate. And then again, I want to show this part of the video. Okay, so we have to do the animation. Let's go to the very beginning and let's animate. So we have our window, let's add keyframe at the very beginning, and let's see. We are moving the slider and we're looking at our video in preview window. So it doesn't work here, so we're moving. I'm clicking on my rectangle, left click, and moving it to the desired place here. Okay, let's continue and adding keyframe. Okay, let's continue moving. Here I'm moving my rectangle. Everything what is inside will be visible, and adding keyframe. Moving the slider. That will be better. Keyframe. Here I want to show this plate. Keyframe. And that place. That's it. Okay, now let us see. From the very beginning, let's do it. I think now it looks nice. So you are closing it and everything is done. Your video ratio is changed to 16:9 and you got a good video. Thank you. Bye.